Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Xfinity account detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin recovering your Xfinity account, open a web browser on your device. Go to the official Xfinity website at www.xfinity.com. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Sign In button. On the Sign In page, look for the Forgot Your Password link beneath the password entry field. Click on the Forgot Your Password link. You will be directed to a page asking for your Xfinity ID. Enter your Xfinity ID in the provided field. If you're unsure of your Xfinity ID, you can retrieve it by clicking on the Find Your Xfinity ID option below the entry field. Once you've entered your Xfinity ID, click on the Continue button. Next, choose how you would like to receive your password reset code. You can select to receive it via email or through a text message to your registered mobile number. After making your selection, click on the Continue button again. Check your email or text messages for the password reset code sent by Xfinity. Once you receive the code, return to the website and enter it in the designated field. Then click on the Continue button to verify the code. If the code is correct, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined on the page. Re-enter the new password in the Confirm Password field. After entering your new password, click on the Continue button to finalize the process. You should now receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. You can now go back to the sign-in page and log in using your Xfinity ID and new password. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider contacting Xfinity customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.